Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fudge cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Also, have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt ready. For the wet ingredients, prepare 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. Having everything measured out makes the process smooth. Now let's prepare our cake batter. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grease and flour 2 9-inch round baking pans to prevent sticking. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla. Add the wet ingredients to the dry, mixing until just combined. Finally, carefully stir in the 1 cup of boiling water. The batter will be thin. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Divide the batter evenly between your 2 prepared 9-inch baking pans. Place them in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a cake. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool in their pans for 10 minutes. This helps them firm up before you carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience here ensures a perfect texture. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, frosting. While your cakes are cooling, prepare your favorite rich fudge frosting. It's crucial that the cakes are completely cool before you begin frosting, otherwise your beautiful frosting will melt. Spread a generous layer of frosting between the 2 cake layers, then cover the top and sides of the entire cake with the remaining delicious frosting. For an extra touch, garnish with some chocolate shavings or colorful sprinkles. Now, slice and enjoy your homemade decadent fudge cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.